Hi guys, if you want to turn on dark mode on Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So for that, open the Google Chrome browser and type Chrome Web Store. And then press enter and then open the Chrome Web Store. Now here, simply type dark mode Google Docs. Press enter. Now here, simply open this Chrome extension, dark mode Google Docs with this rating. So let's open it. Here you can see this Chrome extension has 4.5 rating and 100,000 people are using this extension. You can see. So now let's add it to Chrome. So simply click on this button, add to Chrome, and then click on add extension. And now this extension will be added to your Chrome browser. You can see. And once the extension has been added, go to your Google Docs. Here it is. And you can see the dark mode has been automatically enabled on your Google Docs. Now to easily access this Chrome extension or enable or disable dark mode on your Google Docs, simply click on this extension icon here. And now from the list of extension, you will be able to see the extension we just added. Here you have to simply tap on this pin icon here. And now the extension will be pinned to your Chrome browser. From now on, whenever you want to turn on or turn off dark mode on your Google Docs, simply click on this extension. And from here, you can easily turn it off. Or if you want to turn it on, you can turn it on from here. You can see. Along with the option of turning on and off dark mode on Google Docs, this extension has few more options. If you want to increase the brightness, you can increase it from here. And the brightness will be increased. If you want to increase the contrast, you can increase it from here. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. So you can see how simple it is to enable or disable dark mode on Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.